Hi there, it's Pam Carr from Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do the sedge stitch. It's a very beautiful stitch. I've used it in wraps. I've used it with a larger hook than recommended to make it lacy, but today I'm just going to show it to you. This one was made with a larger hook. I'm going to make it with an H hook and some 4-weight worsted weight yarn. This is actually Karen's Simply Soft, okay? So to begin with your sedge stitch, you're going to make a slip knot, and then you're going to chain multiples of 3. Okay, so I'm probably going to go up, I think I did 15 on the last one. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you this time, so we'll go up to 18. 1, 2, yarn over, pull through, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm going to go up to 18. Okay, so now we've got our 18, and all we're going to be working with is the single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. So we're going to start out with a half double crochet into the second chain, not the first one, but the second one. And into that one, we are going to make a half double crochet. And what is actually happening here is that the other space that we didn't, the two chains at the beginning are sort of acting as a single. That's a half double, and now we're going to go into there and do a double crochet. And for the first row, we are then going to skip 2, 1, 2, and into the next one, we are going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Okay, so we're making a single, a half double, and a double. And then we're going to skip 2 more stitches. 1, 2, and into the next one, we're going to go in and do a single, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Okay, and then we skip 2, 1, 2, and in the next one we go single, yarn over, put it through, yarn over, pull it through 3 for the half double crochet, yarn over into the same stitch and make a double crochet. Okay, now we're going to skip 2 more stitches, 1, 2, and into the next one we're going to go straight in with the hook, no yarn over, to make our single, then yarn over into the same stitch and pull it through all 3 to make the half double crochet, yarn over and into the same stitch, pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, then we skip 2 more and we're in our last stitch. Yeah, we skip 2, that's this one, and then in the last stitch we do a single crochet. Okay, that's right. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn. And what we're going to do now is that's going to be our single. So we're going to do a half double crochet into that one and a double crochet, because the single was there from the previous row. Okay, so now we're going to skip over the double, the half double, and we're going to go into the single crochet with a single crochet here. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. All right, then we're going to get some yarn. It's getting in a tangle here. We're going to skip over the double, the half double, and we're going to go into the single with a single, a half double, and a double. And then we're going to skip 1, 2 stitches, and we're going to go into the third one, which is our single crochet here. And we're going to do a half double crochet in the same stitch and a double crochet. Then we're going to skip 2 and into the third one. Then into the last, we're going to skip over the double crochet and the half double crochet, and right into the end here we're going to do a single crochet. All right, we're going to chain 1 and turn, and then we're going to start back here. There you can see that space there. That's where we're going to do our single crochet. Oh no, half double crochet, sorry, because we've already got the single. We're counting the chain 1 as a single. So we're going to do a half double, and we're going to do a double. And then we're going to skip over until we find that single crochet space there. We're going to go in there, and a half double crochet, and a double crochet. And we're going to skip over the double, double, and then we're going to go into the single. They very kindly have a little gap wherever they are, those single crochets, which makes it easy to find them. You just look, there it is, right there. Okay, so we stick our hook in, single, half double, and double. Skip across to the next one, single, half double, and double. And then we skip across the double crochet, and into the top of the single crochet we are going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and turn. And you can start to see the pattern is starting to come out. It's better to see it on this side. I love this. Is like one of my favorite stitches. I've made a beautiful summer wrap with this stitch. So we're going to, in the first one, remember this, that chain 1 here counts as our single, so we're going to just go right in there with a half double crochet and a double crochet. Remember that at the beginning of every row, okay? That's the only time that happens. Then we're going to skip over here, do a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet. Skip right over till you find that single crochet space, but you can also go, there's the double, there's the half double, so this is the single. Okay, half double and a double. Skip across this little shell that you can start, it goes downhill because the double is taller than the half double and the half double is taller than the single. So we're going to go in there with a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Oh, the other thing I made with Sedge Stitch was the bonding squares. I don't know if you've ever heard of bonding squares. It's little squares you make to give to moms who have preemies. And you make 2 of them, and one goes to the mother and one goes to the baby. And they get the smell of the skin and the scent of the baby and the mother, and then they swap them over the next day, so the baby has the mother's scent on it and the mom has the baby's scent, for making a bond and a connection with the parents and the baby. So that's a pretty sweet thing. So I made some bonding squares using the Sedge Stitch too. Okay, my patterns are all available on Ravelry, so you can find them there. So we start with a half double crochet, remember, and a double crochet, and then we're going to skip across over the double crochet, over the half double crochet, and go into that single. with a single and a half double and a double, and we skip across, go in there, single, half double and double, single, half double, double, skip over to the next single, single crochet into the single, half double crochet, and then right to the end, and we're going to single crochet, chain one and turn. And so here we are with the sedge stitch. I like it from both sides. So I hope you enjoy learning the sedge stitch. I'm trying to do as many different stitch tutorials as I can on my channel, so please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you very much for joining me today with the sedge stitch.